What are AI meeting assistants?
The AI meeting assistants are digital tools designed to help you capture important details during meetings. They use artificial intelligence to automatically transcribe spoken words, summarize key points, and organize information. These assistants reduce the need for manual note-taking, making it easier to stay focused on discussions and follow up with accurate records.
How do they transcribe conversations?
The AI meeting assistants join your calls or in-person meetings, listening to the conversation in real time. They use advanced speech recognition to turn spoken words into written text, creating a transcript. Modern tools can handle different accents and speakers, reducing errors and capturing most of what is said throughout the meeting.
Summarizing and organizing notes.
Once a meeting is transcribed, the AI assistant reviews the conversation to identify key topics, action items, and decisions. It then creates a concise summary, organizes notes by categories, and highlights important moments. This makes it easier to review what happened in the meeting and quickly find the information you need later.
Popular tools and platforms.
Some popular AI meeting assistants include Otter.ai, Microsoft Teams Copilot, and Zoom AI Companion. These platforms typically integrate with popular video conferencing tools, making setup simple. They offer features like real-time transcription, smart summaries, and note sharing, making them helpful for individuals and teams alike.
Getting started and best practices.
To start using an AI meeting assistant, choose a tool that fits your needs and connect it to your calendar or conferencing app. Always let participants know an assistant will join to ensure privacy. Review transcripts and summaries for accuracy and supplement important points as needed. Using these tools effectively can boost productivity and help keep meetings well documented.